Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we're getting closer to Thanksgiving, I figured it was a good idea to just kind of make some turkey breast, but we're making it differently. I know most people want to make a big turkey, and most times people actually can't finish it, or small families that don't have too many people to eat with can actually choose to make the turkey breast. And here we are. This is a turkey breast. You can get fresh turkey breast at Sprouts, Whole Foods, or any of the grocery stores. Not spicy. And just basically if you wanted the organic. So for us to do this, we are going to actually make this turkey breast in the air fryer. So this is quick and easy. This is something that you can make coming back from work, throw it in the air fryer, go do other things, and then come back and your dinner is ready. So here we go. We're going to set this aside first, and then we're going to make a compound butter. Now I'm going to make the compound butter with unsalted Kerrygold butter, or you can make your own butter. I didn't actually have the time to do that today. But anyhow, we are going to use 227 grams of Kerrygold softened butter. I switched to a wooden spoon because I needed something a little bit more sturdy. And so somebody will say, why am I making so much compound butter? And basically, you can use the compound butter for anything. You can use it to make garlic bread. So I'm making a little bit extra so that I can keep it. So to start with, you want to kind of press it just to break it down. I previously minced some garlic. This is about 4 cloves, or you can use as many as you want if you like garlic. I also have some sage. This is about 2 tablespoons of sage, about 2 tablespoons of freshly minced thyme, some bunching onions because I wanted more flavor, and this is the Italian parsley. I just love flavor in my food. Now you don't have to add this much herbs to your compounding. Then to that I'm adding a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then you start to mix. Look at that, it smells so amazing. Wow, this is so good. This would be really great on a piece of toast. If you are not going to use this for your turkey, you could just put this in a container, keep it refrigerated, and use it for anything you want. You can cook fish, all kinds of stuff with this. So now we're going to set it aside, and we're going to put our gloves on and season our turkey breast. Now you can use your hand. That's the best way to do this. I'm using gloves because I added some pepper and I did not want my skin to feel the pepper. So to do this, we patted this dry with some tissue paper. So you can see what I have done was just try to create a pocket onto the skin, and this is where we're going to try to get the seasoning there. So we want to do this. We take some in, and then we'll start to rub it all over. You want to rub it all in there, ensuring that it gets to all of that, and this just helps it stay well seasoned and moist as opposed to just seasoning the top. Just massaging it in. This will make it more seasoned, more juicy, all kinds of stuff. And then we'll add some to the top. Because it's butter, once you put this in your air fryer, it will melt. You can also try to stuff some areas in between. Now you can add any seasoning of your choice. I normally add extra seasoning. I use my homemade seasoning, and I drizzle some around for that extra kick. But to be quite honest, this is quite rich. Okay, this glove is making it difficult to get all this in there. I'm gonna remove the glove. Then we'll wash our hands, and then we'll bring our air fryer. We load it into the air fryer. We're gonna put it skin side up. We load it, and we turn it to, there's a chicken button, it's up to you. And then we'll put it to 360 degrees. And then we're gonna cook it on this side for about 10 minutes. Then we'll turn it and cook it for about 30 minutes, and then turn it again until it's golden brown, or until the inside of the meat is about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 10 minutes, we turn it inside down and then put it back at the same temperature for 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, we are going to turn it back to inside out for additional 15 to 20 minutes or until the temperature reads 165 degrees. After 20 minutes, our turkey breast is ready. Let's just take it out. You do not want to leave it in here because you don't want it to dry. We are going to take it out and put it here so we can carve it. It smells delicious. My God, look at that. I like it very well done. And so you just need to carve it. Oh, look at how crispy that is. Look at how nice and moist that is. Smells amazing. Now we're gonna have to plate it. Now for a taste test. I'm serving it with some air-fried purple sweet potatoes. So let's try it. Smells amazing. Wow. It's very well done. How I like it. The skin is crispy. Let's try it. Wow. This is so good. Wow. Very little effort. The flavor is incredible. You're literally tasting all that butter, all that flavor, all the herbs. This is so good. It is so good that this is, of course, more flavorful than just making a whole turkey. And it is something that you want to eat over and over because it's nice and crispy and it's amazing. Wow. Anyhow, if this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you and stay blessed and happy Thanksgiving.